In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a workflow's time zone in n8n. Getting your workflow's time zone right is essential for accurate schedules, especially if you rely on cron or schedule nodes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the time zone setting, how to adjust it for a single workflow, and how to verify that everything runs at the correct local time. First, open the workflow you want to adjust. From your n8n dashboard, click the workflow's name to launch it in the editor. It helps to double-check you're editing the correct workflow, especially if you maintain multiple versions or similar automations. Next, open the workflow settings. In the top right corner of the editor, click the gear icon to bring up the general settings for this specific workflow. This panel is where n8n centralizes options that affect how the workflow behaves behind the scenes. Now, locate the time zone field within the settings. By default, n8n uses your system or instance time zone. That works fine for many cases, but if a workflow serves a different region, or you collaborate across time zones, setting it explicitly here prevents confusion and keeps time-based triggers consistent. Click the dropdown and choose the time zone you need. You'll find familiar entries like Asia, Manila, America, New York, and Europe, London. Pick the region that matches the intended local time for this workflow. Choosing the correct time zone ensures cron and schedule nodes interpret hours and dates correctly, including adjustments for daylight saving where applicable. If you're migrating an existing schedule, match the original local time, not just the offset, to avoid unexpected firing times. After selecting the time zone, click Save to apply your change. The update takes effect immediately for this workflow, so anytime calculations, timestamps, and next run evaluations will use the new time zone going forward. If your platform tracks version history, this change is preserved with your save, which can be helpful for auditing. Finally, test your workflow if it uses scheduled triggers. You can manually confirm the next runtime shown in the node settings or execution panel, and compare it to the local time in the time zone you selected. For a quick validation, temporarily set a cron to run a few minutes from now, watch it execute, and then revert to your intended schedule. Reviewing execution logs is also a great way to confirm the timestamps now align with the chosen region. That's it. You've set a workflow-specific time zone in n8n, saved the change, and verified your schedules will run exactly when you expect.